People just love the creaminess of the hazelnut cocoa spread, and they love Nutella. We're at the new New York City Nutella Cafe. The whole store is like walking into your own Nutella jar. You've got the great Nutella menu. Nutella is in it, on it, or next to it. As soon as you walk into the front door that looks like a Nutella jar, there's so much that just remind you about Nutella, and when you come in here, you're just immersed into the full Nutella experience. Some of my favorite ones that we just added is the strawberry quinoa pudding that you can get inside of a buckwheat crepe with Nutella drizzled on top. We've got the chia hemp seed pudding parfait. We have the spread your happy, create your own menu, French toast, the waffle. You can get the regular amount of Nutella on it, you can get extra, and you can tell us what you want inside. We know that people in the United States, and especially in New York, love Nutella. So many people come up to me and talk to me about the Nutella and their love and how they grew up with it. A lot of people that moved here maybe from another country, and how every day at breakfast they were able to enjoy Nutella as a kid, and it brings them back. And this is the place that you can enjoy it on the menu and have a great experience.